Chinese New Year, Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year's Eve, Lunar New Year's Eve, Reunion Dinner, Reunion Dinner, Spring Cleaning, Spring Cleaning, Fireworks, Fireworks, Lucky Money, Lucky Money, Red Envelope, Red Envelope, what we usually eat on New Year's Eve. Hot pot, hot pot, Buddha jumps over the wall, Buddha jumps over the wall. Fish, fish, chicken, chicken, beef, beef, pork, pork, duck, duck, mutton, mutton. Chinese New Year snacks or dessert time. Chinese New Year cake, Chinese New Year cake, radish cake, radish cake, dumplings, dumplings, candies, candies, melon seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, melon seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds.